Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix apps not working in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, check internet. After check internet, reset all setting. Again open settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now this is how you can fix apps not working in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.